Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 17 September 2024, and we're diving into the latest updates from the world of Apple technology. From groundbreaking health features to software innovations and regulatory challenges, we've got a lot to cover. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple has received FDA approval for a new sleep apnea detection feature on the Apple Watch Series 9, Series 10, and Watch Ultra 2. This feature, part of watchOS 11, uses the watch's accelerometer to track sleep disturbances and assess sleep apnea risk. Users need to monitor their sleep for 10 nights over a 30-day period. While not a diagnostic tool, it encourages users to seek medical advice if issues are detected. This comes as Apple disables its blood oxygen detection feature in the US due to a patent dispute. Reflecting on Apple's recent It's Glow Time keynote, the article discusses the evolution of Apple's product lineup and leadership changes from Steve Jobs to Tim Cook. The keynote introduced updates to the iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, with the iPhone 16 featuring the A18 chip and improved cameras. Despite these advancements, the author notes a sense of predictability in Apple's launches, contrasting with the innovation and surprise of Jobs' era. Apple is gearing up for an October product announcement, focusing on new Macs with M4 processors. A redesigned Mac Mini is anticipated, featuring a more compact design and internal power supply. Software leaks suggest multiple USB-C port configurations. New MacBook Pro models and an updated 24-inch iMac are also expected. Other Mac models will receive M4 updates in 2025, alongside new lower-end iPads. iOS 18 has officially launched, offering the most customizable iPhone experience yet. Key features include enhanced home screen customization, a redesigned Photos app, and improved messaging capabilities. Users can now arrange app icons freely, enjoy new text effects in messages, and benefit from a revamped control center. Privacy enhancements and a dedicated passwords app are also part of the update. A security vulnerability in iOS allows VPN connections to bypass encryption for certain network connections. This issue, present since iOS 13.4, exposes data and IP addresses. Despite reports, Apple has not fully addressed the problem, citing some traffic as VPN exempt. Proton VPN suggests toggling airplane mode as a workaround, but it doesn't guarantee complete security. Apple is exploring mitigation options. Apple has partnered with Affirm to offer financing options through Apple Pay in iOS 18 and iPadOS 18. This follows the discontinuation of Apple Pay Later. US customers can now apply for Affirm loans at checkout, splitting purchases into bi-weekly or monthly payments. This partnership aims to provide flexible payment options, enhancing the shopping experience for Apple users. Apple faces regulatory challenges in the EU, described as a cash sinkhole. The company lost an appeal over a €13 billion tax bill and was fined for App Store practices. Apple's new iPhone AI features won't launch in the EU due to regulatory uncertainties. The EU's stricter rules challenge Apple's business model, prompting some concessions. The ongoing tension raises questions about Apple's future in the EU market. macOS 15 Sequoia is now available, introducing features like iPhone mirroring and improved window tiling. Safari enhancements, a new passwords app, and video conferencing improvements are included. Some features, particularly Apple Intelligence, will roll out later. The update aims to enhance productivity and creativity for Mac users. The evolution of mobile technology is highlighted, focusing on Apple's innovations like QR codes and app clips. These tools have become essential for accessing digital services, emphasizing contextual computing. App clips address app fatigue by allowing access to specific functionalities without installation. The article urges businesses to focus on delivering core services contextually, aligning with Apple's privacy-first approach. Apple's AirPods Pro 2 will soon function as FDA-approved hearing aids, following regulatory changes. This innovation stems from the FDA's decision to allow over-the-counter hearing aids, reducing costs. The AirPods will offer customizable sound levels through a software update. This development is a result of political actions aimed at making hearing aids more accessible and affordable. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you enjoyed these insights into the latest Apple developments. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay informed and stay connected.